With select Garmin devices, you can store hours of your favorite tunes right on your watch, so you never have to run without the perfect soundtrack. In this video, we'll show you how to sync your music and start listening. You can get to the music widget from the watch face by scrolling up or down through the widget loop until it appears. From here, press the Enter key to access the music controls. Or to quickly access the music controls from anywhere, including during activities, hold the Down key. The first time you view the music controls, you'll see a prompt to connect to your computer to add music. To do that, plug the watch into your computer with the included USB cable. Use your preferred media management program to create and edit playlists. When you're ready to sync songs or playlists to your watch, open Garmin Express, select your device, and then select Music. Click the checkboxes to choose which of your favorite songs, playlists, artists, albums, and even audiobooks and podcasts you'd like to sync to your watch. When you're done making your choices, click Send to Device. After the sync finishes, you can unplug the watch. Before you can start listening, you'll need to pair your Bluetooth headphones with the watch. Now that you have added music to the watch, you'll be prompted to connect headphones when you access the music controls. You can connect headphones now, or as we will show you, you can connect later through the main menu. Hold the Up key to access the menu. Scroll down to Settings and select. Then scroll down and select Sensors and Accessories. Put your headphones into pairing mode and keep them near your watch. Select Add New. Then scroll down to Headphones and select. The watch will search for Bluetooth headphones. When your headphones are found, they'll appear on screen. Press the Enter key to select your headphones and complete the pairing process. To access your music library on the watch, simply return to the music controls. Use the Up key to scroll to the source item and press the Enter key to select. From here, choose My Music. Here you can scroll through your music, sorted by playlist, artist, albums, songs, and even by genre. For long lists, you can scroll more quickly by holding the Up or Down key. Return to the Controls menu to scroll up or down to the various controls to adjust the volume. Go to the next or previous track. Repeat a single track or all tracks, and turn Shuffle on or off. Select Garmin devices also let you sync your playlist from third-party music providers, such as iHeartRadio and more, for offline listening on your watch. Watch the other video in this series to learn about syncing with third-party music providers.